Hello YouTube, this is DellModzZ. Today guys, we're pretty much going to be going over a quick tutorial. I'm not going to go too in-depth with this, due to the fact that it's simple and it's common, and that if you're looking at this tutorial, you should know, basics of what I'm talking about. So, basically what we're going to do today is we're going to go into encrypting .NET framework applications. Pretty much every .exe out there is a .NET framework application, so I mean you could do this to anything. I mean really that's not already encrypted, or that is encrypted. Today we're just basically going to be using an RTM tool. So for example, today we're going to be using my HellMaker tool. It's not free. If you guys want to look at it, you can go ahead and look at the description. But anyways, so we're going to be using two references today, two encrypting programs that are semi-good. In my personal experience, they're semi-good. They're not the best, but they're semi-good. So first one is going to be a smart assembly. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use that. But first what we're going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get the application. I should have had it ready beforehand, but I'm going to get the application for HellMaker so I can paste it inside this. This is my current update. I'm going to save it to my desktop because it's already encrypted and I don't want to go through and encrypt it again. Alright. So anyways, now once you have that, you just want to go to your documents. Documents, go to your VS, because that's where I'm making the current project, which is VS Studios, projects. And when you're doing this, guys, you always want to make a backup of your existing project. Never, ever, ever encrypt your project file as it is right there. Never do that. That'll fuck you all up. And then VS won't be able to read it, and then you'll be fucked because you never make a copy of the original, and then you'll be crying like a little bitch because your little dick hurts or little titties are fucking hurting. You know, just don't do it. You'll fuck yourself over. And then all I can do is laugh my fucking ass off at you because you're so damn stupid. So anyways, while we're waiting for this to be a con, we're gonna, okay, here we are. Copy. You go ahead and exit out of this. You will not need to go into your documents again after this. Not unless you're just stupid and you don't know how to follow my steps and tutorials. So once you have that, you just basically want to go ahead. I'm going to delete this because I don't need it in there. So basically once you have that, you want to paste the copy directory in a folder such as your desktop with all your existing DLLs. That's what I do. Go ahead and keep that in there. You can keep this open or minimize it. I'm just going to go ahead and minimize it. So the first encryption method we're going to go through, we're just going to go through a basic smart assembly encryption. So basically you just want to click new project, browse assembly. It's going to bring up your Explorer. You want to go ahead and go to your desktop where you pasted the new version, wherever it's at. There it is. Come here. That one. Go ahead and click open. Now it's going to take a few seconds for it to read the file, make sure it's all there. While it's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and cover over some things about this program. First thing you guys need to know is this program's not free. Absolutely not free. There is cracked versions out there. I paid for mine, but if you guys want to have me do a tutorial on how to crack this, I'm pretty sure there's many out there already. But if you want me specifically to do a video on how to crack this tool, I would be more than willing to show you guys how. Those are basically the only two things about this tool itself. Other than that, its encryption method is semi-good. There is many ways to bypass smart assembly encryption. So, you know, just use this as like kind of a final result, I guess. Now, I kind of messed up here. You could actually do it the complete opposite. So you guys want to use your good encryption first, and then use your shitty encryption next. It really doesn't matter which way you go about it, but it's definitely, oh, sorry, it did mess up. So you want to hit browse assembly again. Sorry, I messed up on that one. So this one's a little bit different. It's different than Crypter. So you want to go here, go back to your documents, go back to VS, go back to projects, project files, this, and then basically you want to go to .bin, debug, and then click your tool. Now guys, remember, this is not going to fuck with your tool. Basically it's just going to read this file, and it's going to put a new encrypted version on your desktop or wherever you decide to put it. So for example, we're going to go ahead and put it in the directory of HellMaker. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go over here and we're just going to use Crypt, how you could say it, to start off. So we're going to use this as our first encryption. You just basically want to go ahead and click plus. Now it's going to bring up your Explorer again, and you're just going to go to your desktop where we have that copied. You just want to go ahead and click in here. Click OK. Let me see what this says. 1 second. Okay, yeah, I can't read its DLLs. I'll fix that in just a second. Alright, so once you have that, you just want to click Settings. You want to go over here, you want to click in here, you want to click Add. You can click Edit. Now for most of you, you can click Maximum Protection, but then you run into a lot of, file errors. Basically what I do is I just click Minimum, and I go through and manually add all of the encryption settings. So I just go ahead and add a couple in here, so I have them preset. So that's that one, and I just go ahead and I add them all in here. Just like that. Contents protection, overflow protection, anti-dump, anti-debug, media protection. I'm not going to do proxy, resource protection. Did I do reference protection? No, I did not. I just did that though. Reference protection, and then name protection. Now guys, once you have all that, oh, I have 2 control flows. Uh-oh, retard alert. Okay, hold on. Minimize. Done. So basically, guys, once you have that, you just want to click OK. Now it's going to save. If you guys want to make sure it's all there, just go ahead and exit again and you're done. Make sure you have this checked. This basically allows your custom encryption methods to be added. Go ahead and click Done. Now you want to go ahead and hit Project. Go ahead and hit Protect. Now what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and load it all up. It's going to encrypt it. Now for a lot of you may not wondering how you can test encryptions, you can use programs such as .NET Reflector. You could use programs as I forget the name of it. Is it JetBrains? It's okay. It's not a good decompiler. It's okay. That would work for most applications. Things like that. Now you see I got an error right here. It's just because I did something wrong. Let's see here. Hold on. Let's see where it stopped at. Coding proxies. Yep, I put proxies in like a dumbass. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and delete proxies. I did add resource rename. Okay, so we don't need this in here. Alright, so delete. Go ahead and done again. Now we're going to hit protect. If you get that error and you have proxies enabled, just go ahead and remove that and that will fix it. But back to the decompiler programs. Those are some good programs you can get. They're free, like I said, and basically you just open them up and they're self-explanatory. I'm not going to do this in a specific one, but that's just self-explanatory on that part. So once it's done encrypting, I don't know why Smart Assembly wants to be a complete nigger for. I think it's because it can't read the DLLs. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and go over here. And we're going to go ahead and go to our documents again. Downloads. God, I'm having brain fucking slow moments today out the ass. Make sure this is encrypting good. Yep, alright. This one's completely done. Now what this program is going to do is it's going to create another file in this. So it's going to keep your original version. That's going to be original. It's not going to move. It's going to create another folder and it's going to call confused, and this is where your encrypted app's going to be, and that's where you can run it, and it's going to be completely encrypted. It's going to be hard for people to decompile it and crack your tool. So that's that. We're going to keep that minimized. We're going to go over here. Now keep in mind, guys, that I'm doing a VS now, or not VS, but Smart Assembly now. So we're doing projects. Go ahead and project files. Go ahead and click this. Go into HellMaker, which is of course, my sexy ass tool. Debug. Okay, now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go ahead and I didn't look at the DLL errors it gave me. But what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and just click that. I think that's one. I think those are two of them. WebDriver, just to be in case. WebDriver support. I think those are it. So I'm going to copy those. I'm going to go ahead and paste them on my desktop. Okay, it's apparently still copying one, I think. Or did it copy all of them already? One, two, three, four. Okay. So that's that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. I'm just going ahead and delete these now. Okay. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and browse assemblies again. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead here, click our project. Now it should read it. If it does not, a smart little assembly is just being a big ass fucking cock block, and it needs to go kill itself. So I'll just go ahead and let that load, because apparently it just is completely gay. I have no idea. And click open up this. I think I already have it open. Oh no, did I? I just opened up 2 fucking tabs of it. I feel retarded. So we're gonna copy that, highlight that, highlight that, highlight that. Alright, so what are dependencies? Loop, and okay. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and copy these and just get rid of them. Copy, delete, paste, replace all 5 files. Because my DLLs on here are not encrypted. Now, guys, you can encrypt your DLLs. It's not. I don't think you need to. It's not recommended. There's nothing, you know, too fancy about them. So just go ahead and click. I'm gonna change the directory of it. Desktop. HellMaker. Okay. Apparently, it's not gonna let me. So I gotta browse for a new assembly. Check that all off. No, I don't want to copy it. What the? Oh wait, you're a fucking nigger. I hate you. You should go kill yourself. God damn it. HellMaker, I love you. Quit being a fucking nigger. Am I sure all these are on my desktop? Yeah, because right there's the one. So delete. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and browse assemblies. Gonna go ahead and go over here. Don't click that because I was a retard and told you guys to do that. Follow my steps, guys. I'll apologize for this. Got this. Oh no, we want our encrypted version, which is gonna be right there. So we're gonna double encrypt it. Of course, it's gonna say blah 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 blah. It's just being a cancer. So we're just basically gonna do how to do a basic encryption. You're not gonna do double encryption. And click OK. Now this should work. If it does not, we're going to go ahead and skip Smart Assembly for this tutorial because apparently this program's like a fucking show off. It only likes to work when it feels like it's necessary and it's qualified to work. If it does that, I will go outside and I will fucking shoot a black person. No, I'm just joking. I ain't gonna fucking do this shit. What the fuck? Oh, that's funny as shit. For all you guys that think I'm fucking racist, I'm not. Like, I always joke around like that. If you want me to be racist, I can be racist. So if you're gonna comment and be like, Dell, you're fucking racist or something, you can go fucking go hang yourself from a goddamn oak tree, because I could care less. But you should just know that I'm just joking for a good particular. Yeah, apparently it's not gonna do it. So Smart Assembly is a fucking nigger. We're not gonna go ahead and do that. So guys, basically I'm going to have both these in the description if you guys want to download them. All you have to do, guys, is just, I'm going to copy that here. What one moved? Because I do know one moved. Delete. Come on, nigger. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Yes, good boy. Okay, over here. Copy, go ahead and paste it here. So guys, you can just use both of these at the same time. My smart simile was just being a cancer bitch. So, go ahead and go back to the first encryption. What you guys want to do is you want to click on here, and when you guys send it out to people, such as like it's a pay tool, or you just want to try and encrypt your source so it's not fucked up, you just basically just want to copy that back to the folder. I'm not going to do it because I have my encrypted version already, and it's just a pain in the ass like you saw. So, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all you have to do. If you guys have any further questions on the specific tutorial that I did today, please let me know, and I'll be glad to help you out as much as I can. But, and that's just pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Questions down below, like I said, comment. And this is DellModzZ. Peace out, guys.